Good morning, class. I am teacher Angel May Argalange.
And I am your teacher, Giancarlo Calo.
And we are your teachers for today's discussion.
May I request everyone to please stand up for our opening prayer. Miss Abby, can you lead a prayer? So in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, so before we proceed, can you check your chair if it is properly arranged? Okay, very good. So before we proceed, I'm going to check your attendance first. Okay, very good. No one is absent today. Before we proceed to our lesson proper, we have here an activity called jumbled words. So I need 5 representatives to arrange these jumbled letters. So anyone in this class who wants to answer these jumbled words? Okay, very good. Thank you for your participation, everyone. You really did a great job. Okay, class, we have another activity. So this activity is, you're going to imagine the sound of each instrument. Okay, class, how will you identify each instrument? Okay, very good. So now let's proceed to our lesson proper. So I will give the floor to teacher Angeli.
So good morning once again. I guess you have already an idea about our topic for today. So our topic for today is about instruments of Western orchestra. So for our learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to remember the types of orchestra, understand the orchestra, and apply orchestra in your lives. Do you have an idea what is an orchestra? So, an orchestra is a large group of musicians playing many different instruments. It is best known of all Western instrumental groups. There are 4 classifications of Western orchestra, and these are the string, brass, woodwind, and percussion. So, string family. These are the instruments that have strings that can be plucked or bowed. So, who among you here can give an example of string instrument? Yes, Miss Abby. Okay, you're right. Very good. So one of the example of string instruments is guitar. Very good. So second, the brass family. These are the instruments that are played using breath and changing vibrations from the lips and mouth shape of the musician. So one of the example of brass instruments is trumpet. So the third is woodwind family. So this instrument and this family all used to be made of wood, which gives them their name. So today they are made of wood, metal, plastic, or some combination. So they are all basically narrow cylinders or pipes with holes, an opening at the bottom and a mouthpiece at that top. So it is a type of musical instrument that you play by blowing into its mouthpiece. So one of the example of woodwind instruments is flute. So for the last, percussion family. So these are the instruments that makes a sound when it is hit, shaken, or scraped. So one of the example of percussion instruments is the drum. Okay, students, thank you for listening. So, before we proceed to our activity, let's have a recap first. So, unsa na dito ang instrument? Okay, yes, very good. It is a large group of musicians that plays different instruments. So, what are the 4 types of Western orchestra instruments? Yes? Yes, very good. It is the string, the brass, the woodwind, and the percussion. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's discussion. Thank you for listening.
What is an orchestra? So, anyone in this class? Okay, very good. So, have you tried to play a musical instrument before? Okay, very good. So, do you see yourself playing an instrument like a member of a band? Okay, very good. So, what is an instrument belong to a string instrument? Okay, very good. Okay, class, please get 1 whole sheet of paper and answer this question. So, describe the 4 instrumental sections of Western orchestra.
Okay, class, time is up. So So kindly pass your paper. And for your assignment, kindly please answer this question. So, how can you distinguish various musical instruments used in a group performances or ensembles seen and heard in the community? So class, that's all for today. Please stand up for our closing prayer. Mr. Abanil, can you lead the prayer? Amen. So that's all for today, class. I hope you learned something. Again, I am Teacher Angeli.
And I am teacher Giancarlo Calo.
Saying goodbye.